How's it going? This is Mike and Mike, M&M from Montrose. Actually, that's M and M and M, 3 M's. Mike Montrose at the Phoenicia workshop. Today we're going to show you on this keel here on how we are prepping it. Mike, you want to talk about that a little bit?
The section of hull had been coated with a modern type anti-fouling compound, which we removed to take it back down to the bare wood. We used a combination of grinder, sander, and a heat gun to get all the applied coatings off. So we got it down to the bare wood. We got it sanded. We got it cleaned up. We got all the dowels and pins that originally held it together around the perimeter removed, and it's just about ready to install and attach it to the keel.
Now earlier we had removed these tenons called the Phoenician joint. They're made out of European walnut, and the pegs are made out of olive wood. So we have taken them out, and Mike has made some more of these out of
These are walnut.
American black walnut. So these aren't going to be near as big as those, of course, because as we put it together, we're going to only be able to have it. It'll be more of a guide for us to stick them in there for the reassembly, and then we will be putting in some pocket screws. And then on the bottom side, is this side here, Mike?
The hull was attached originally to the keel, one board at a time. When they had this board down against the keel, they drilled through the board into the keel and then drove a pin down in to attach the board to the keel. So we have three places here that we're going to use as an index to help us to align the hull exactly where it had originally been. So we've got some new pins, new dowels made up here, which we will drive into those holes, and there'll be about 2 inches of them sticking out, and they will line up to holes that are in the keel, positioning it back exactly where it had originally been.
Yeah, these dowels are red oak dowels made in America. So this is M&M from Montrose signing off. You guys have a good day. Thank you.